Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share yet another card for hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. Penny's hosting this open collaboration where we alter playing cards, flash cards, small cards, big cards, any kind of cards you like, and in any style you like. So, which is kind of nice. We can pick and choose what we want to do each week. There's no rules, there's no prompts, there's nothing, and we just alter a playing card. How easy is that? And you can jump in at any time. You don't have to catch up. You don't have to. You could just alter a playing card and post it on Thursday or any time of the week. Just have that hashtag in your description or in your title to share what you created. So this week I'm coming on to do almost like a Christmas in July. I wanted to do more projects. I may still do some projects for Christmas in July, but this is the only one I'm doing so far, I believe. So here is my altered playing card. These little gingies are from Impression Obsession. I don't have it with me because I had cut these up last year, I believe, and I had some extras. This is paper from my stash, and then these were already glued together. Well, this one was already glued together because of the snowflake, but this one I just glued together just recently. So it's really cute. They look like little ginger cookies, and I added some stickers. This one came from Michael's, and this one came from Hobby Lobby. And I called it a day. I just thought that was perfect, so to celebrate Christmas in July. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.